Welcome back to the Moto Experience. I am here in beautiful Dixie National Forest on top of Boulder Mountain. This beautiful plateau called the Aquarius Plateau. Incredible riding. Pretty technical, rocky. It's been raining a lot, so it's been muddy. But today I wanted to review these incredible tires that I've put 1,500 miles on. The Mitas Enduro Trail Plus. It's a true 50-50 tire. I am blown away with the performance of these tires. I have ridden them on every surface type. Asphalt, they're phenomenal. There's a lot of canyons near Salt Lake City where I live in the Wasatch. Windy, curvy, steep asphalt, wet asphalt, doesn't matter. Full confidence on road. But what I bought these tires for was for more traction and confidence off-road, on dirt, sand, mud, rocks, slick rock, rock gardens. Man, I love these tires. They're the best tires I've ever ridden. They're incredible. Today's my last day of a 2-night camping trip here on Boulder Mountain, and it has rained every day. Rain, hail, thunder, lightning, classic violent monsoon thunderstorms with just downpours that make the trail instantly muddy. Rivers running down, rock beds. It's made for some fun riding. A couple scary situations I was put in this weekend, but these tires pulled through. There were some really muddy spots. Up here, the dirt gets really muddy if the water's been sitting. If it pools, then the dirt gets really muddy. So I've had a couple fishtails for sure, but what do you expect on slippery mud? You know, mud's mud. But the big block design in this tread, I feel like does great on this kind of terrain. I can go as fast as this suspension ground clearance will let me on most surfaces. These tires are incredible. Cornering, steep stuff, steep up, steep down, it doesn't matter. These tires do fantastic. As far as tread life goes, I just hit 1,500 miles on them. Probably 50% asphalt, 50% dirt, sand, mud, off-road. And there's still plenty of tread depth. These tires are incredible. Now, I'm not affiliated with Mitas in any way, but I recommend these tires. If you're looking for a solid 50-50 tire, these are the tires to get, man. They are the best. I can't recommend them more. Now, my Scrambler 400X did come with tubeless rims. So I do have these ran as tubeless. I have tubes just in case to get a flat, but I haven't had any punctures, no slow leaks. These tires have held up great. And I've ridden some crazy rock gardens. And there's just tons of shit on the road that can give you a flat. Like my truck tire got, I don't even know what it was, some little small piece of broken metal stuck into it. But these things, fantastic. 10 out of 10. Best 50-50 tire out there. If you're looking for a tire that will give you confidence on and off-road, this is the tire, man. Mitas Enduro Trail Plus. You can't beat it. It's incredible. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments what you think. Or if you have any better recommendations, let me know. There's not much else I can say about these tires. They are fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This past weekend, I've got so much fantastic footage. I'm excited to make some great videos for you guys. So stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming out. See you in the next video.